Welcome. Recipe: fish to cut styles. Salt and lemon sprinkle on fish, and remain 6 to 7 hours. After washed and take, ginger garlic paste fish masala packet, lemon juice and make both to masala bowls, and Qouted 2 style cut fish pieces and remain for marination. Now fish Qouted with masala. This fish for Masala Dar recipe. Fish tails and head pieces. Make separate as Masala Dar dish. Take cooking oil. Take small onion. Onion brown. Add masala fish Qouted. Add tomatoes chopped green chili. Add yogurt. Cook well all masala. Add marinate fish pieces. Covered in low flame. Cook other side with the help of spatula. Besan melt with water thick, Qouted fish pieces. Hot cooking oil. Dip fish piece in low flame. When one side cook back other side. Masala Dar fish is ready. Fry fish is ready. Take other cut style fish piece, dip in besan. Both cut style fish pieces ready. Fry fish tasty, delicious. Enjoy yourself.